Good morning students, it's me Sudarshan sir. Today we are going to deal with GK. Okay. We are going to start with the unit 8. Till 7 we completed, so we are going to start with 8. Okay. 8th unit. Old places and new names. Here they have given old name of some places. We have to write their new names. Okay. Former name in the sense old name. Current name means new name. Okay. Ceylon, that is old name of Sri Lanka. Okay. Persia, old name of Iran. Zaire, down you see, for spelling down you refer. Zaire's new name is Democratic Republic of Congo. Next, Gaul, new name is France. East Pakistan, new name Bangladesh. Siam, Thailand. Batavia, Jakarta. French Sudan, Mali. Mesopotamia, Iraq. 1 minute students. Baroda, Vadodara. Christiana. See, here the spelling is not so good, right? So down you refer. Actually it is Oslo. Down it will be there. Okay. Next. Byzantium, Istanbul. Southern Rhodesia, Zimbabwe. New Amsterdam, New York. Abyssinia, Ethiopia. For each and everything, for spelling, kindly refer down in the book what they have given, right? Kindly refer there. Okay. Down you see here. Kindly refer these things. Okay. In your book down it is given. Next, 9th unit. Major international organizations. Okay. Several international organizations have been set up to address issues affecting the world in general. Identify and write the full name of the following organization. They will give clues. We have to find what is the name of the organization. Okay. These organizations, what they do? They do welfare for the world. The whole world. Okay. We will see what are those organizations. Major organization. Founded 1961. Headquarters London, UK. It is in London. Mission, campaign for human rights throughout the world. Okay, human rights, to get human rights throughout the world. What is the name of that organization? Amnesty International. Please refer the spelling which is given below, because that is the wise thing. Amnesty International. Okay. Next one, second one. Founded 1945. Headquarters Washington DC, USA. Promote world trade and foster global financial corporation. Foster global level, world level financial corporation. Okay, what is that? International Monetary Fund. Financial means what? That money corporation. That flow of money is done with the organization International Monetary Fund. Okay. Next organization. These are logos of the organization, students. Okay. Next. Founded 1945. Headquarters New York City, USA. Mission, promote international peace and order. International peace. What is that organization? United Nations. Okay. Next. 1948. Headquarters Geneva, Switzerland. Mission, promote health concerns worldwide and raise medical standards. This is so important organization. Promotes the health concerns worldwide and raise medical standards. They deal with health concern. What is that? World Health Organization, WHO. Okay. This is a main organization around the whole world. Okay. All these are main. This is particularly main organization. Okay. Next, WWF 1961 headquarters Gland, Switzerland. A place Gland in Switzerland. Mission: protect endangered animals and create awareness about wildlife. To protect the animals, those who are in the way to end. Okay, endangered animal. They will die in all the living organisms of particular animal species will be no more if we don't protect them. Okay, to protect the animals. What organization it is? Worldwide Fund of Nature. Organization is Worldwide Fund of Nature. Next, 1946, New York City, USA. Improve the health and welfare of children. Improve the health and welfare of children. What is that? What is the organization? United Nations Children's Fund. United Nations Children's Fund. Okay? Okay. Please, again the same thing for each and everything, refer down. The words which is given, answers which is given down. Okay? Okay. 8th unit over. We'll go for the next unit. Sorry, 9th unit over. We'll go for the next unit. 10th unit. Okay. 10th unit. Read the clues and identify the tribes. Tribes. We are going to find the tribes. Those who are living away from the world. Tribes means what? People, those who are living away from the world. Okay? Okay. They are next. Tribes and the world. Tribes of the world. Around the world there are many tribes. Tribal peoples. I think you know about tribal peoples. Tribal peoples means what? The people who are away from people in the city culture. They are away from that. So it is like they are not in any contact with the people who are in cities or countries, and they are far from the countries, far away from the countries. It is like they are far away from the world. It is more or less like that. Okay? Okay. They are called tribal peoples. They are different from our social. They are different from our communities. They are different from our religious. They are different from everything. They have their own culture and they are living like that. They don't. Most of the tribes don't even know around them the world exists and many peoples are living. They are like that. Okay? Okay. They are unique peoples. We are going to see about them. Tribes. There are many tribes around the world. We are going to. The clue will be given. We have to find the tribal name. What name given for them? Okay. Okay. First one. Hunter-gatherer tribe living in Bolivia and Paraguay. Okay. They are good in hunting. Hunter-gatherer tribe living in Bolivia and Paraguay. What is the name? Ayorio. Down you see. Kindly refer down. The same thing. Ayorio. Their name is called. We have given a name for them. What is that? Ayorio. Okay. Next one. Second one. Inhabitants of northern stretch of North America and eastern Siberia. Okay. Peoples. Inhabitants is nothing but peoples. Peoples of northeastern stretch of North America and eastern Siberia. Who are those? Eskimos. Answer is Eskimos. Okay. Next. Tribes living on high southern slopes. Tribes living on high southern slopes of Himalayas who are known for providing support for mountain climbers. These tribes will help people. If they go there, they will help us to climb mountains. Okay. Sherps. They are called Sherps. Next. Wandering tribes of Arabia and North Africa. They used to wander. They used to move from one place to another. But around Arabia and North Africa. Okay. What are their names? Down we'll refer. Here it will be given wrong. Sometimes it will be wrong. Okay. Bedouins. They are called Bedouins. This one. Bedouins. Okay. Okay. Next. Members of any of the group of Turkic people. Members of any of the group of Turkic people who live mainly in Siberian steppes of Russia and Turkestan. Okay. Steppes means is nothing but a very large green area. large area with grass. Large area, it will be a fully grass and it will look in green. It will be very nice to see. That is called as steppes. Okay, steppes. Members of any of the groups of Turkic people who live mainly in Siberian steppes of Russia and Turkestan. Tatars. What are their names? What is their names? Tatars. Okay, here you see Tatars. Okay, next one. An ethnic group of indigenous to North Africa. Indigenous is nothing but native. An ethnic group, ethnic is nothing but a group of native people to North Africa. In North Africa, they are tribes. What is their name? What is the name given to us? Given to them? One minute, students. Berbers. What is the name given? Berbers. Okay. Next. A Bantu speaking people. Bantu is a language. A Bantu speaking people of South Africa. Zulus. Next. Dark skinned American Indians. American Indians. Nothing but they belong to India. But for years and years, maybe 100 years, 200 years and so on, they are living in America. So they are called American Indians. Okay, dark skinned American Indians. Dark skinned is nothing but black colored American Indians with straight black hair. They have black hair. Living in island of Guatemala. What is their names? Mayas. I think you would have heard about this. You might have heard. Mayas. Next one. The indigenous, nothing but native. The native of Polynesian people. The indigenous Polynesian people of New Zealand, skilled in stone and wood carving. They used to do sculptures. Okay, with the help of stone and wood. You know that, right? Wood sculptures, stone sculptures. Okay. What is their names? Maoris, down you see here, Maoris, they are called Maoris. Members of the dominant people of Hungary. Members of the dominant people Hungary, they are hard people. They are some type of terror people. What are those? Who are those? What is their name? Magyars. Magyars. That's all, students. I think these things would have been interested for you. If it is interesting, just go through this and make a note of everything with your pencil in your book, and finally send this photograph in the group. Okay, so that I can find you guys have completed your homework. Okay, students, take care. Bye. Have a happy day.